We're going to create this viral match cut used by the best documentary editors. Let's go.
Drag all the screenshot photos into the timeline and add all of them to video too. Keep a layer underneath. We'll add a background there later. Click here, then click Transform. Now click View. Go to Safe Area and turn it on. This will show a small plus sign in the center of the screen. Now adjust the photo so it's centered perfectly. Next, copy the photo and paste it above the layer. Stretch the photo to make it longer, then change the opacity to around 40%. Now lock the clip so you don't accidentally mess up its position. Position all the photos according to the text. Try to align them as accurately as possible. It's already looking great. Now go to Effects. Drag a Fusion composition below all the layers and open it in Fusion. Add a background node and connect it to Media Out. Select the background node and change the color to white. Go back to the Edit page. We don't need that layer anymore, so you can delete it. Now, drag the click sound effect into the timeline. Place the first click sound at the beginning of the timeline. Then, move forward 14 frames and copy-paste the sound there. Move forward 12 frames, copy-paste again. Then 8 frames, same thing. Then 5 frames, and again 5 frames more. You can get creative with this pattern. Now cut the photos according to the sound effects. Next, drag an adjustment clip onto the timeline. Select it and go to Fusion. Add a blur node and increase the blur size however you like. Then add an ellipse mask to the blur node and invert it. Adjust the ellipse size and increase the soft edge. Now add a film grain node after the blur node. This gives it that edgy documentary look. Now drag the yellow marker PNG on top of all layers. Right-click the PNG and go to Fusion. Add a rectangle mask to the Media In node to cut out the suitable marker area. Go back to the Edit page and position the yellow marker on top of the text. Change the composite mode to darken. Now, go back to the Fusion page. Add 2 keyframes, one at frame 0 and one at the last frame. At frame 0, drag the marker Photo slightly to the left. Then go to Spline and adjust the curve for a smooth animation. And that's it! Now you can edit documentary-style match cuts like a pro.